let's make a crispy Adai Dosa like this. It's very easy, very quick, very tasty. Don't waste time, let's move on to the video. Joss Moses Kitchen. With this recipe, we can make 15 dosas like this. 1 cup of idli rice, 3/4 cup of chana dal, 3/4 cup of urad dal, 3/4 cup of Toor dal, 3/4 cup of Moong dal, all onto a bowl. Wash at least 3 times. Fill with water. Add 10 pieces of dry red chilies, 1 teaspoon of fennel seed, half teaspoon of cumin seed, 1 teaspoon of methi leaf. Give a quick mix and soak for 6 hours. Drain all the water. Add to the blender half teaspoon of asafoetida, few ginger, 2 tablespoons of salt, 1 teaspoon of turmeric. Add little bit of water and blend into a very smooth paste. Transfer to a bowl and blend all the lentils like this and combine well. You can see 2 colors because of the chilies. Make sure you combine it well and rest for 2 hours. Combine well. Add half cup of chopped onions, few chopped cilantros. Give a quick mix. Hot the skillet. Drizzle some oil. Spread the oil all over. Pour the dosa batter on top of the hot skillet and make dosa like this. Drizzle few oil on the top. Spread the oil all over. Let the dosa become crisp. Start removing from the edges and flip it like this. You will get a beautiful, vibrant color dosa like this. It's a high protein dosa. I am enjoying with onion chutney. The recipe is there in my channel. Take a piece, dip it in this beautiful chutney and enjoy and eat. Don't miss out to give me a support by subscribing my channel Joss Moses Kitchen. Bye.
This recipe, have you ever tried? What about this one? Have you tried? What about this one? Have you never tried it? Then what about this one? Just make sure